Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of April, 2025, our system has ranked MicroAlgo as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.03. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of 27.67%. This amounts to an average loss of 5.53% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 112.62% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 112.62% to 768.48%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -26.27%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to 2,642.34% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $194.98. Our latest daily update from MicroAlgo includes the headline, Volatile Ride for MicroAlgo Incorporated stock price on Monday, moving between $7 and $11.17. The MicroAlgo Incorporated stock price fell by 10.23% on the last day, which was Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, dropping from $7.92 to $7.11. It has now fallen for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 59.57%, ranging from a low of $7 to a high of $11.17. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 49.25% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 23 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 26 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $185,590,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $509.60, while the lowest price was $1.11. Currently, the price is 98.60% or $502.49, below the 52-week high, and 99.95% or $14,292.89, below the all-time high on December 13, 2022, when the price peaked at $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc., trading under the symbol MLGO, has announced impressive financial results for the year 2024, showcasing a total revenue of 541,500,000 renminbi and a net income of 53,400,000 renminbi. This marks a significant recovery from a previous net loss of 266,200,000 renminbi in the year 2023. This turnaround can be credited to the company's strategic pivot towards central processing algorithm services, which accounted for all its revenue last year. This solid performance is likely to bolster investor confidence in the short term, potentially driving up the stock price as the market reacts positively to clear profitability. Additionally, MicroAlgo's recent innovation, a classical boosted quantum optimization algorithm, highlights its commitment to advancing technology and may enhance the company's positioning in the lucrative quantum computing sector. This could create further long-term growth opportunities, attracting tech-focused investors. Moreover, a substantial increase in stake by Weeme Hologram Cloud to 67.65%, combined with their commitment to a 10-year lockup, signals strong backing and stability for MicroAlgo. This support is crucial, especially following plans to issue new shares at a price of 80 cents. which could initially dilute existing shares, but ultimately may provide necessary capital for continued innovation and growth. Overall, these developments suggest a bullish trajectory for MLGO, possibly translating into sustained price appreciation as the company executes on its strategic initiatives and capitalizes on its recent successes. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock is exhibiting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is present due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $8.78 and $11.17. A breakthrough above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31st, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 70.68%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 233 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. MicroAlgo Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $6.78, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant daily movement, characterized by high volatility, and with an extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.17 between its high and low, reflecting a movement of 59.57%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 27.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $7.92. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo faces its first support level at $6.78. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September 2024 when SBI Securities Company Limited made an insider purchase of 0 shares. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. stock presents several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that MicroAlgo Inc. will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have downgraded our assessment from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and market movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of April, we expect MicroAlgo to open higher by $1.32, starting at $8.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.